Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the heart of the internet, your website's web server. First things first, what exactly is a web server? In simple terms, a web server is a powerful computer that stores, processes, and delivers web pages to users. When you type a web address into your browser, your request travels to the web server, which then sends the requested content back to your screen. It's like the engine room of a ship, powering everything behind the scenes. So how does it work? When you visit a website, your browser sends an HTTP request to the web server. The server processes this request, retrieves the necessary data, and sends it back in the form of an HTTP response. This response typically includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files that your browser uses to render the website. It's a seamless exchange that happens in just a matter of seconds. Now, let's talk about the types of web servers available. There are a few options depending on your needs. Shared hosting. This is the most budget-friendly option, where multiple websites share a single server's resources. VPS, a virtual private server. This gives you more control and dedicated resources, ideal for growing businesses. Dedicated server. This is a powerful option where you have an entire server to yourself. Great for high-traffic websites. Cloud hosting. This uses a network of servers to host your site, providing flexibility and scalability. When choosing a web server, consider factors like your budget, the expected traffic, the type of content you'll host, and your technical expertise. The right choice can make all the difference in your website's performance. Check out Untitled.com for budget-friendly best web hosting experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights.